Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So today's video is a haul video. I have never did a haul video. I'm doing it for the very first time. I'm quite nervous, but at the same time I'm excited to show you what do I preferably buy from the online shops. So yes, I preferably go for Jabong, Myntra, ShopClues, Club Factory, sometimes Amazon or Flipkart. So you guys would get to know what do I preferably buy from which online sites. And yes, those who guys are seeing my face for the very first time, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button to get notified whenever my video comes up. And yes, those who like to see whatever videos I post up, then please don't hesitate to give this video a big thumbs up. And yes, without further ado, we should just get started with the video. So the first thing I am going to show you is a collection of footwears which I preferably like to make. So yes, those who guys know me better would know that I am very fond of collecting heels. So I have various or varieties of heels. So far I have collected I think 7 heels so far in 1 year. So yes, starting with the first heel I have, it's from a brand called Claw Melbourne. I don't know it's from which site, maybe it's from Flipkart or Amazon, but anyways guys, I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can check it out, the heels. So Claw Melbourne is the favorite brand for me, and I have this, wow, this is a very nice and funky strapped heels, stiletto high heels, and it's very cheap guys. It's around 999. I bought it for 999. I got it on the sale. And I'm quite happy with this heels. Oh my god, this is really. Next thing I have is again a pair of heels, and it's from a site called Ajio.com. So I preferably go for Ajio.com for buying any heels. So it's from a brand called MFC Couture by my foot. And it's again a pair of black heels, and these are really nice. I mean, these heels are quite comfortable for me to wear. So most of the guys have seen in my Insta stories, I have wore this in the Kala Ghoda Art Festival. So yes, these are super awesome and I would like to give it a big thumbs up. Third thing which I would like to show you is again a pair of heels, and I think my mom would kill me right now because I'm kind of a girl who is like dream of wearing a heels, and I'm going to make a castle out of it. So please mom, bear with me. So yes, this is the third pair of heels. It's again from a brand called Claw Melbourne, and it's a pair of red heels. Oh my god. This red heels are quite comfortable and it is covered as well, and it's a stiletto high heels, and I think it's worth around 1100. I think it's a best buy for 1100. Obviously a stiletto high heels within 1100, it's quite impossible. And this is a red high heels. You can wear this in the party as well as on the ramp walk. Yes, these are super hot. Now let's begin with the dresses collection. So starting with the first one, I have this red A-line dress or a bodycon dress from Forever 21. I think the price details you can see in the screen itself because I didn't remember the price. So it's very quite comfortable red A-line dress. So guys, along with this I prefer to buy another same A-line dress or a bodycon dress which is of green color. This color is quite cool. I got this as an offer, like buy one get one free offer. So I picked up this two pairs of A-line dresses, and I'm quite happy with the look which I get. Dress which is an off-shoulder dress. It's from Shop Clues, and you guys won't believe I got it for around 299 rupees. I mean, seriously, 299 rupees a dress. I mean, it's quite cheap. I quite like the material. I mean, it's not that worth, but yes, it's worth for rupees 299. I mean, 299 में dress, who would give you that? So I'm quite happy with the price and with the material. It goes again a A-line dress. It's in the shade mango color, my favorite color. Most of the guys who would know me better would know I like wearing mango color dresses. So yes, it's again for rupees 299, and I'm quite happy with the material. Yeah, it goes well with the price. A casual formal outfit, and this is quite good. It's a white chiffon top which you can wear as a casual formal in your office. I'm quite happy with the material. It's quite good, and yes, it has such chiffon net patches over the front, as well as some network, net detailing and over the shoulders and the hands. I'm quite happy with the material, and it looks awesome if you go out in an office wearing this. So yes, it's a best buy, and it's from, I think it's from Club Factory. So the next thing again I have is this pair of white chiffon top or a blouse. It has a quite beautiful chiffon detailing on the neck with the pearls embedded in it. I'm quite happy with the material, and yes, it looks quite royal if you wear this as a casual formal in the office. It's quite good to go. So the next thing I have is a pair of suspender dress or a suspender skirt rather. So it's from Pantaloons, Candies by Pantaloons, and it's in the shade blue. It's a quite kind of flared skirt, and I'm quite happy with the material it provides. I think it's from Flipkart, and it's cheap at the same time as well. I mean, 714 for this skirt with a suspender. It's quite good, and it looks pretty good on me. You can see the picture on my Instagram. I have wore this in my Kala Ghoda art festival, so go for it. So next thing I have is again a dress, and it's a mustard yellow dress. It's quite good. And it's from Jabong. It worth around, I think, 1200. I'm quite happy with the price because the material is very good to go. So next up I have a pair of jeans. It's a boyfriend jeans, and it's from, I think, Shein.com. Yeah, I really like the material as well as the color. It's a kind of old school color with such a nice patches over the pant. It is a very beautiful boyfriend jeans, and it's quite good to wear while going out with your friends and all. It gives you a very trendy look. So yes, it's a best buy for around 800 rupees. So I'm going to post the link in the description box below. So yes guys, whatever things you like outfit, may it be a outfit or a footwear, so I'm going to provide the links in the description box below. So if you guys like it, then please check out it. So next up I have a skirt which I am wearing right now. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So it's from a brand called Evan, and its cost is also very budget friendly. It's around 800 rupees and very good to go for like any beaches or for a party wear. And please do comment what all outfit or footwear. And yes, it's time to say goodbye to you. So if you guys like this video, then please don't hesitate to give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. And what all things you need to do, you guys might be knowing. So yes, please do it, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.